I mean, it's small. It's small. It looks really good, but it's just surprising. I'm surprised it's so small for a camcorder.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yes.
Sam, when you get through doing, you can join us over here.
Okay. Huh.
So do you find it easier or?
Yeah, actually you do, because that way it's directly with the angle that your hand's going, so you don't have to have it like this.
Yeah.
So you're right. The size is fine. No, actually it's not. It's not small. It's not small at all.
Oh.
So I'm assuming you can zoom right there. Yeah. Okay. Ah, okay. Yes.
Okay.
Yep. Looks good.
Okay. So this is a new camcorder from Samsung.
Okay. Okay. First of all, I like the design, the round and the color, the red color. I think it's especially attractive for a woman, and it's small and compact and very lightweight, so it's gonna be easy to carry around for a long time. And oh, I guess it's a little angle to upside,
Yeah.
isn't it?
So this is designed 25 degrees angle, so it's gonna be comfort for.
Oh, so do I have to film like this? Oh, okay. Oh, so yeah, this is great idea, I guess. It's gonna be easy to film for a long time, because if it is like 90 degree like this, the wrist is gonna have a little stress. So yeah, I think this is a great idea to invent it. So to film a long time, especially for a woman, I guess. So yeah, I think it's really good.
Wow, that's a sharp picture. Well, my first impression is it looks like a bit of a fingerprint magnet. It's because it's so glossy, but the picture is stunning from the viewfinder. And is this? See, I figured out the zoom already. Yeah. The color looks good, and it doesn't look. The compensation is the automatic compensation when I point towards the light is very good.
Yeah.
Normally, with a camera like this, the backlight is too strong. The zoom is good. It's easier. I'm at. Although I'm sitting down, it's at a good height for filming, for viewing people. Yeah. And I can't believe that much technology is packed into such a small thing.
Yeah.
I mean, if you take the viewfinder out of the way, it's only about 45 millimeters thick. So quite amazing.
Yeah, very interesting. Very handy. Yeah, very nice one. So design looks very nice, trendy. Oh yeah, it's very comfortable. The size is okay. Yeah. It's not too big and yeah, not too small. The weight is okay. Yeah, it's very handy, so you can carry it everywhere, so it fits in your pocket. Yeah. That's a very good one.